Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to install RankMath Pro. As you can see right now, I'm on my dashboard of RankMath. So when you buy it, they're gonna send you a link where you can log in and then download your RankMath Pro. So when you are here, you just click download. Okay, click download. It's gonna download. Okay, as you can see here right now, I don't have any website that are linked on my RankMath account. Okay, so when it's done downloading, we are going to add it on our website. So the download is over, so now we are going to our website and install RankMath Pro. So from here, you just click plugin, and then you come add new. Do not uninstall RankMath, the free version. If you got it already installed, do not uninstall it. You must leave it there. Okay, so we are going to upload our new plugin. You click here, upload plugin, choose files. So this is the file. You click install now. Okay, it's done installing, as you can see here. Okay, so from here you click activate plugin. Great, and you're done installing your RankMath Pro. So make sure you use the same credential that you use to buy RankMath Pro. Okay, so let's see if it is connected. As you can see here, it's showing RankMath Pro. So this is how you do to install RankMath Pro. I hope this video will help someone who is in need. Please don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel. Please, see you guys soon for another lovely video. Ciao.